How to turn modes and routines on and off in customization service on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control whether modes and routines can personalize your device experience. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then scroll down and tap on General Management. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Right here, you'll see the list of Samsung services. Find Modes and Routines from the list and tap the toggle right next to it. When turned on, Modes and Routines uses your daily habits and patterns to automatically suggest and trigger routines that match your lifestyle, like switching to Do Not Disturb when you usually sleep, or enabling certain settings when you arrive at a specific location. From here, the more you use your device, the smarter the suggestions become, making your routines feel more automatic and effortless over time. Moving on, turning it off stops modes and routines from using your activity data to make personalized suggestions. Your manually created routines will still run as normal, they just won't adapt or suggest new ones based on your behavior. Finally, the change applies immediately, so you're good to go right after tapping the toggle. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.